As a seller, the 15 minutes after every sales call is a really important moment, but oftentimes things slip through the cracks. Whether it's you didn't make the right notes, you haven't updated your CRM, and you need to send a follow-up email. All of these tasks are typically manual, and when you are busy and you have other calls, they simply slip to the end of your day or the end of your to-do list. And this is a problem for most sellers when it comes to their sales process. And oftentimes, this is where deals can begin to stall. Which is why I use Granola. Granola is an AI notepad that joins me on every meeting and takes notes. I can actually go into Granola and add some of the talking points that I make sure that I want to cover, and it will then highlight those notes in more detail. At the end of every call, I have a organized summary of the notes, and then I can do some actions with that data. So I'm going to show you quickly what that looks like. On my screen now, you can see that I've got Granola. My notes are blurred because I've had calls with clients and prospects. But on the left-hand side, I've got different meeting folders. So I've got mentoring and advice calls, which I do several every month. Client projects, that's catching up with my clients. Partner calls with the various different partners I have in the work that I do, sales calls, and then also I do a bit of content and podcasting. So I actually go and make notes ahead of the podcast interviews that I do, and that helps me just keep track of what I need to talk about. But I'm going to show you what a note looks like. This one is a made up conversation that I had with myself where I'm talking about a business update. Now you can see that this was automatically summarized by Granola, and now I have this chat down here. Now the first thing that I might want to do is to send a follow-up email to this prospect called Mark. I should have picked a different name, but what I can do is use a snippet, which is like a short code, and these lead to recipes. So if I go YOFU, this is a follow-up email summarizing the meeting. So I can hit enter, and it's now going to create this follow-up email which follows my profile and my style. So here you can see it's great catching up today. I always like to send my emails with this subject line in the sales process. It just stands out a little bit in the inbox. And it reads, "Hi Mark, thanks so much for taking the time to chat today. Really enjoyed hearing about how things are going, what we covered." So the bullet points of the main things that we spoke about. How I can help. Now, obviously this wasn't a real scenario, so I now can then go in and edit this when I want to copy and paste it. The action items, and I'm really looking forward. So I can now copy this, go into my email, hit paste, edit the bits I want to, and then hit send. So I've done all of that follow-up in a matter of seconds. Now, the next thing I can do is make sure that all of my notes are added to my CRM and then also in a Slack channel. So I just need to come up over here and say send to Slack. It's going to go to my Granolas and chat with Mark. I'm going to post that there. And then if I jump into Slack, once it sends, it will show up in a channel. Now, this channel just has me in it. It doesn't have other people. But if I was part of a sales team, we could have all of our notes feeding into this one channel as well. And you can see here that it automatically generates a TLDR summary of the conversation. Now, going back into Granola, another thing that we want to do is make sure that we update the CRM with the notes against the record. So I can simply click up here, save to HubSpot, and it can see it saves notes to Guider. Now, because this was me talking to me, it isn't pulling through a contact, but I can save it to HubSpot, and then I should be able to go into HubSpot and see those notes against the contact record and company record. And you can see here, it's already added in the HubSpot record against the company name. As I mentioned, it would be against the contact name as well if it was a real contact and not a made up conversation. So what I've done here is automate as much as I can the follow-up process. Now, I don't like to 100% automate my follow-up emails because there's often a nuance in the conversation that you've had. Maybe there was an additional link that you wanted to send, or they asked a question that you didn't know the answer to and you're replying back to them in the follow-up. So I like to get 90% of the follow-up automated so I can do that last bit of the 10%, which is the human element to it as well. Now, taking it a step further, you can now plug in Granola to Zapier, and then from Zapier, you can send it to various different places. Through Zapier, I think there's 8,000 connections. One thing that I'm experimenting with and probably will record another video about in the future is piping through all of my sales conversations and pushing that into Claude or OpenAI so that I can start to build a real picture of what are the core questions that people ask me, what are the core problems that they have, how good am I at answering those questions? And one other thing that I want to do is start to score my own calls against a qualification criteria. It could be a band, could be medpic, could be whatever I want it to be. But as a solo business operator, I don't really have the accountability for coaching unless I'm doing it myself. So this is a way that I can go and score all of my calls so I can continuously improve. Now, if I was part of a sales team, then they would obviously have their own coaching methodologies as well, where this could be automated so that the sales manager doesn't need to do any of this manually, and they can receive an update using Zapier and a number of different steps in the workflow of how the sales reps are performing and where the potential skill gaps are as a coaching opportunity. So Granola has really been a game changer for me. I love the fact that it comes with me on all of my calls. It doesn't matter whether it's Teams, whether it's Google Meet or Zoom, it's there taking notes all of the time. And I like the fact that I can push it to other places as well. One last thing is you can actually start to query the data as well. So I can ask the transcript any question. So what did Mark say was working well? So I'm going to hit enter and it's going to look at the transcript and also the summary. And then Mark said that the paid ads are working well. Specifically, he said that after taking some time to get going, they're now running successfully. What is his main challenge? So the main challenge that we identified in the call was that his team's at capacity and he needs to hire more people, but he is unsure whether to hire a sales or client delivery first. So when you're in these calls, it's really hard to take notes all of the time. And what's great about having Granola in the background is that I don't have to worry about the notes. I can trust that it's going to transcribe everything that's said. And the best part about it is I can query the notes or ask questions about the notes as well. Another thing that you can do here too is you can actually see you can see the entire transcript too. So this is the entire transcript. So you can go through and look at it. Sometimes, depending on the acronyms or the tool names that your industry uses, there might be things that the AI and any AI doesn't really pick up. GTM is obviously a common one, but if there's specific industry acronyms, you can go through the transcript and then double check what was said. So that's it. I think one of the things to think about though, when you zoom out, I have about, across all of the different calls that I do, the mentoring, the partner calls, the sales calls, the client updates, I probably have about 15 meetings every week. And now I don't need to think about it. Now imagine that I was part of a team that had 10 people having 15 meetings every week. That's 150 meetings, which are all now collected, stored and organized in Granola. And with that connection to the MCP or via Zapier, you can now query that data in ways that was never possible before. So if you're not using Granola, I highly recommend that you give it a go. It's it's not intrusive at all, works in the background, it joins every meeting. And there's a link in the description which gives you a month for free if you want to use that link, or just go to their website directly. But let me know if you give Granola a go and how it works for you. Cheers.